Hello guys, so welcome to the third video of Numpy series. In the previous video we discussed about some inbuilt functions of Numpy, and in this video we are going to discuss about the rest of the functions. So we can see we have imported Numpy as np and we have created an variable, and now in this video we are not going to create any array by ourselves, that is called manually, but we will create array by these commands. So we have called numpy and dot a range, and the range is 5, and what we are going to get if you run this shift plus enter, you can see we have got a one dimensional array and it contains a value in the range of 0 to 4, that is 5 minus 1. The last value is 4, that is 5 minus 1. And if you change it to 10 and if you run this, you can see that we have got a one dimensional array containing the values 0 to 9, and the last value is the range minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 9. So this is how we can make any one dimensional array by using this command a dot range. This is not exactly command, this is a function. Okay guys, now if you make this a little bit modified, that we want to get the values between 5 to 15, that is exactly 14, and we want the difference between each element like 2. So if you run this, what you will get, you can see we have got 5 7 9 11 13. The value is incrementing by 2 because we have specified this here. We wanted to increment this value 2, and we specified the range between 5 to 15, and the range will be 15 minus 1, that is exactly 14, but we have got these values. So this is how you can modify the range of this a dot range value. And after that, the next function is going to linspace. It's linspace. So if you run it, what you will see, you can see we have got 5 values and we declared it here, and the values will be 1 to 10. So the function is basically works like we want 5 values in 1 to 10 range, and the function will automatically calculate the differences between every element. And if you make change like we want 6 values between 1 to 10, and now if we run it, you can see that we have got 6 values here. So this is how you can make array using linspace actually. And the next function is np.full. In the previous video we made array using 0 and 1, but we didn't able to modify the values because there was fixed value 0 and 1. So we want to modify this. So if you run it, you can see we have created a 2 row and 3 column array here, and we have modified the value giving it 5. So you can modify it like if you want to make it 4, and now if you run it, the value has been modified. So this is how we can modify our value. And the next function is np.ice. What is this? This is a identity. What is this? If you run it, you can see that we are getting the value. This is a identity matrix. If you familiar with matrix and algebras, this will be familiar to you, and you can actually do changes here. You can see this is actually identifies the dimensions, how which dimension you want to, sorry, not dimension, it is identifies the So this is all for this video guys. In the next video we are going to talk about the inbuilt math functions of numpy, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and follow the tutorials if you want to learn basic to advanced numpy. Thank you guys.